One of the things that stops people starting an online business is this question: can I make money online? You see lots and lots of different business models out there, but you're not sure if you can actually turn a profit. Well, in this video, I want to share with you some resources to help you make that decision. Unfortunately, I can't make that decision for you. It's one that you need to decide for yourself. But we have created some tools here on the channel that I'm going to show you in this video that will help you work out if you can do that. Now, we have a free course. It shows you for absolutely $0 down how you can start a newsletter business. It would be better if you have around about $1,000 to invest a month, because that would allow you to access AI tools. But if you don't have that, then you can actually start using the Beehive free trial, and other newsletter builders have free trials as well, but we like Beehive. You get a 2-week free trial. We also recommend other software. Now you can see here, this is the first tool that I want to show you. This is our completely free course. This is on the YouTube channel if you haven't checked it out already. We've got 2 versions. You can have the full 5-hour version there, or you can get the day-by-day version. And we even break down here the entire course day by day, telling you what is in each of the lessons that we teach you each day. And this means that you can jump around if there's a particular topic that you want to check out, or you can come back and you can check out different days if you need a refresher. But this is completely free for you to download. Just go down into the description and you can access this straight away. So that's the first tool that I want to give you. And like I said, if you follow through this, we show you organic traffic methods, we show you free trials, we show you how you can do it if you've got some money, we show you how you can do things if you cannot spend any money to start off with. We talk about niching, we talk about monetization. It's all there in the course. Go away, grab this freebie. It's our gift to you on the channel. Just go down to the description and get it. Once you've started to take the course, you're going to want to start to play around with numbers. As I said, you've got $100 a month. That's brilliant, because you can use AI tools and you can get things done faster, and you get the premium access to the top plans on Beehive as well, accessing all their amazing tools, including their AIs and automation and their monetization tools as well. What we put on our website for you, which you can again get down in the description, are our newsletter calculators. We've got 3 of them here, as you can see. Now I'm going to go through these calculators in more detail in future videos, but for this one I just wanted to show you where they were and let you explore them so that you can see what kind of numbers you could be producing and how quickly. So this one is your newsletter calculator. This is the first one here. You can see you've got some details about how to use it, some average numbers for you to have a look at. And all you need to do then is come down here, put in the numbers, and then you'll be able to work out the product cost in this one. So quite a handy newsletter for you to have access to. So as you can see, it says many creators and publishers are exploring newsletters, a potential income stream, but estimating potential earnings can be challenging. We've got here a calculator to give you ballpark projections based on key inputs. You've got your 3 key inputs here. And then the idea, it says the goal is to provide a rough estimate based on your list size and engagement metrics. It means that it's going to help you evaluate if a paid newsletter could be a viable income stream for your business or for your platform. So all you need to do is put the numbers in and it will give you an answer to that one. This one is your newsletter sales calculator. So quite often with setting up a newsletter, you might want to know what it's worth so that you are deliberately building it with some kind of exit strategy. So this will help you do exactly that. You just put in the number of subscribers that you might have, you put in your open rate, you put in whatever your revenue is per month, and then that will be able to give you a valuation. And so you can kind of see with your newsletter exactly how much you will be making and how much it would be worth, so that you can decide when you might want to exit or start marketing your newsletter for sale. The third one here is an important one. It's the sponsorship calculator, and we talk a lot about sponsorships on the channel and about how that's a great way to monetize your newsletter. And I would definitely say don't wait. Talking this morning to somebody who's starting their newsletter, having a video call, and this is one of the things we were talking about the fact that you shouldn't be waiting sort of to get 10, 15, 20 email newsletters in, because then you're going to be sort of several months in without bringing any money. There's other things you can do to accelerate that beginning part of the process, which we talk about in the course, which is going to help you be able to get sponsors sooner. So again, we've got sort of general targeted audience. You can put in the details, and then you'll be able to, from that, be able to get some numbers on some prices for sponsorships. So they are the resources that I have for you. Just want to mention Black Friday, as it is coming up, our newsletter that is going out just before Black Friday, that's our Thursday edition before Black Friday, is going to be a drop of all of the Black Friday offers that we've managed to get for you. We've been emailing and contacting and jumping on video calls with all sorts of AI providers, mainly in the copywriting niche, but some others as well that will benefit you if you have a blog or a newsletter. And we're putting all those offers together and the coupon codes they've given us into one newsletter, and we're just going to drop everything for you. Now, I am going to be giving you some early insights and deals through videos and through the community tab on the YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. But if you want to get them all in one place just before you get through, just before Black Friday, then again, come over to the website, click on the newsletter tab. You can see the kind of thing we've been writing about down here. Join up, and then just before Black Friday, you'll be able to get all of those deals in one place. You can check them all out, and then you can decide which software you want to buy, which one would be the best one for you. So hopefully this has given you some resources that you can go away and use and decide if newsletters are right for you. If you want to add this onto your existing business, add a newsletter on, or whether you want to start something brand new in order to bring in that additional revenue stream. If you got any value, like I said, you can go away, subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one.